I think you also have something with this trying to get the customer back or just to downgrade and not churn. 15 years ago, I was working for American Express, and the most ROI team we had was called the SAC, Save-a-Cardmember. Card member is how
Yeah.
we call customer at American Express. And that was the most valuable team because there were three people in France. The whole job was just take those calls from people who want to churn and get them to stay on the product. So if you manage to do that with some AI, I think it's as valuable as doing the acquisition part.
Absolutely. And we had several ideas around the canceling experience. We have an application in Salesforce, customer success or support team can use it to handle new purchase, upgrade, downgrade, and cancellation. And we realized with one customer that 80% of what they were using Limio for Salesforce for was for cancellation. So we know cancellation is really important, and we have controls around trying to surface the best cancellation option that's most likely to retain, but it's deterministic. You set up your filters and you set up your rules, and then we show what you've configured. The next step is really having that based on AI. And so we had one really fun hackathon idea. We had a voice agent you called, and the voice agent was trying to get you to get the right discount, completely automating it. That was a hackathon, so it wasn't entirely perfect.
It's a new skill we need now, is like being able to negotiate with robots.
Yeah, well, the good news is robots seem to be a bit pushover. So if you keep asking, they seem to keep giving until you hit some kind of hard limit. So there's definitely a learning curve on how you fine tune those systems. But the customer convenience is overwhelming, having someone who can answer 24/7. And the benefit to business, it's sort of cold-hearted, but the fact that you don't need huge customer service team that handle really repetitive tasks, it's coming. There's just no way about it. So then the question is, how do you make AI handle those repetitive tasks really well? And where does the human feed in?